We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball Toys with Lights, also known as the UFO hand-operated mini drone or Cosmic Globe Hoverball. If you have this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball is a hand-controlled mini drone designed to entertain children, teens, and even adults. Its primary appeal lies in its ability to light up, spin, float, glide, and climb through the air, responding to different throwing angles and speeds. When thrown correctly, it returns to your hand like a boomerang. The vibrant RGB lights give it a striking appearance, especially at night, making it look like a neon shooting star streaking across the sky. This visual effect is a highlight for many users, drawing attention and adding excitement to outdoor play sessions. From a usability perspective, the flying orb is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The device is lightweight, weighing only 0.7 ounces, and measures approximately 3.7 inches in diameter. Its compact size and portability mean it can be taken anywhere, whether to the park, a friend's house, or simply used in the living room. The propelling parts are safely enclosed within a flexible spherical cage, minimizing the risk of injury and making it safer than many other flying toys. This design also protects household items from accidental damage, a crucial consideration for indoor play. One of the standout features is the rechargeable battery. Users appreciate that the device charges quickly via USB, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. The typical playtime per charge is about 15 to 20 minutes, which many find sufficient for a fun session without becoming monotonous. However, some users report that their units only last 4 to 5 minutes per charge, suggesting variability in battery performance. This has led to some disappointment, especially when compared to earlier versions or similar products that offered longer playtimes. Despite this, the quick recharge time partially offsets the shorter battery life, allowing for minimal downtime between sessions. The ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball is marketed as suitable for children aged 6 and up, but its appeal extends to older kids, teens, and even adults. Families report that it brings people together, with children often competing for turns and adults joining in the fun. The toy encourages physical activity and improves hand-eye coordination, offering a break from screen-based entertainment. It is also described as a stress reliever for adults, providing a quick, engaging distraction during work breaks or downtime. In terms of build quality, most users find the orb to be sturdy and durable. The flexible cage absorbs impacts well, and the internal components are protected from rough landings. However, there are occasional reports of units breaking after a period of use, particularly if subjected to frequent collisions or improper handling. For the most part, the device withstands regular play, and its lightweight construction helps prevent significant damage to both the toy and the environment. The learning curve for operating the orb is generally low. After a few practice throws, most children and adults can control its flight path, making it hover, glide, or return like a boomerang. Some users mention that mastering advanced tricks such as making the ball zigzag or perform erratic movements can be hit or miss. The lack of detailed instructions is a common complaint, with a few users expressing frustration over the absence of guidance for achieving specific flight patterns. This can lead to initial confusion, but most users eventually figure out the basics through trial and error. The orb's interactive nature makes it ideal for solo play or group games. Children enjoy tossing it back and forth, inventing new games and challenging each other to perform creative tricks. The device also captures the attention of pets, adding another dimension to its entertainment value. Its versatility as both an indoor and outdoor toy means it can be enjoyed year-round, regardless of weather conditions. In terms of gifting, the ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball is frequently praised as a unique and memorable present. It is especially popular for birthdays and holidays, with recipients often expressing excitement upon unboxing and using the toy for the first time. The LED lights are a particular highlight, creating a magical effect that enhances the overall experience. Some users, however, feel that the product's appearance does not match its price point, comparing it to inexpensive toys found at discount stores. This perception may be influenced by the lightweight plastic construction and simple packaging, but the majority of reviewers agree that the device delivers on its promise of fun and engagement. Not all feedback is positive. A minority of users describe the orb as unreliable, citing issues such as erratic movement, difficulty in achieving controlled flight, or the device skimming across the ground instead of hovering. These negative experiences are often attributed to defective units or lack of clear instructions. For some, the toy failed to meet expectations from the first flight, leading to disappointment and low ratings. Despite these outliers, the overall customer rating remains strong, with an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars based on over 3,400 reviews. This suggests that the majority of users are satisfied with their purchase, even if there are occasional issues. The ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball's safety features are a significant selling point for parents. The enclosed propellers and flexible cage reduce the risk of injury, making it safer for young children. The device is also less likely to cause damage to furniture or walls, a common concern with other flying toys. Parents appreciate the peace of mind that comes with these design choices, especially when children are playing indoors. The Orb's portability is another advantage. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in a backpack or pocket, allowing for spontaneous play sessions wherever you go. The USB charging capability adds to its convenience, ensuring that the device can be recharged using a variety of power sources, including laptops, power banks, or wall adapters. This flexibility is particularly useful for families on the go or those who want to keep the toy ready for use at all times. In terms of value, most users feel that the ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball offers a good balance of price and performance. It provides hours of entertainment, encourages physical activity, and brings people together for interactive play. The unique combination of hand-controlled flight, vibrant lighting, and safe design sets it apart from traditional toys. While there are some concerns about battery life and build quality, these are outweighed by the device's overall fun factor and versatility. The Orb's appeal is not limited by age. While it is marketed primarily for children, teens and adults also find it enjoyable. It serves as a conversation starter at gatherings, a stress reliever during work breaks, and a source of amusement for family members of all ages. Its simple operation and engaging features make it accessible to a wide audience, ensuring that it does not quickly lose its novelty. For those considering the ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball as a gift, it is important to set realistic expectations. The device is designed for short bursts of fun rather than extended play sessions. Its battery life, while sufficient for most users, may not satisfy those looking for longer-lasting entertainment. The lack of detailed instructions may require some patience during the initial learning phase, but most users quickly adapt and discover the Orb's capabilities through experimentation. In summary, the ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball stands out as a fun, interactive toy that combines hand-controlled flight with dazzling LED lights. Its safe design, portability, and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of users, from young children to adults. While there are some drawbacks, such as variable battery life and occasional build quality issues, the overall consensus is positive. The Orb delivers on its promise of entertainment, encourages active play, and brings people together for shared experiences. If you are looking for a unique gift or a new way to engage with family and friends, the ATHLERIA Magic Flying Orb Ball is worth considering. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and help others by leaving your own review if you have used this product.